So I just want to do a quick video on prepping these surfaces for paint. We're going to get rid of these drip rails. We're going to clean up the holes for the drip rails because I'm not planning on putting them back. And then we're going to strip it down and get ready to paint it. So as you can see, after removing the drip rail, it's quite a bit of rusty mess. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to grind them down, get rid of all that flaky paint. Other side's not any better. There's actually even some holes that we're gonna have to fill down the road. You can see it right there. We got our holes all ground down. Our next steps, we're gonna get our little flux core welder and we're gonna weld up these holes. As you can see, we filled them all in real good. And now we're gonna grind this down. So now we got it all ground down nice and flat. The roof is pretty rough. It's gonna take a while to grind all this down, but we're gonna get it all ground down and smooth so then we can start doing body work. Now we got it all ground down and smooth out, ready to do some body work. If you want to see how I do the body work for the whole truck, watch my video on cleaning up the doors. If you like what you see, you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to do a video every week on this truck and get it back on the road and looking good. Thank you.